Hi guys, welcome back to another Moisture Mondays. For those of you who are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Daniela and I have a new series called Moisture Mondays where I basically review deep conditioners and hair masks every single Monday. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also leave me comments down below and let me know what kind of products and deep conditioners you would like me to try next. In today's video, we will be reviewing the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Mafura. I'm probably saying that wrong, but I'll leave it here. And baobab oils. This specifically for strengthening and protecting extremely dry and brittle hair. If you guys didn't know, our hair is made up of protein, specifically keratin. So whenever you feel like your curls need to bounce back and your hair is just lacking a lot of that like moisture and it's feeling really brittle, try a protein treatment and that will usually like bring your curls back to life. Now, don't overdo it with the protein, because if you do use too much protein, if you're using it consistently 1 to 2 times a week, you will see that your hair starts to actually get worse. It will get more brittle and it will just break off really easily. What I like to do with protein treatments is use it sparingly. So I would use a protein treatment whenever I feel like my hair is getting very, very brittle, and I follow it with a very moisturizing conditioner after. So, as I already said, we're gonna be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt treatment. And the indications for use on this product are: apply a quarter size amount from roots to ends. Yes, we'll apply it from roots to end, but we will not be applying a quarter size amount. I feel like all curly hair girls out there know and get me when I say that we are overboard with the products. I like to apply a lot of product to make sure that my hair is completely coated. So let's continue reading the directions. Paying particular attention to the damaged ends. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. Okay, so I don't have a towel on today because I got out of the shower and I detangled my hair as always and just kind of left it in this little bun. So this is what my hair is looking like. As always, it's been detangled in the shower. And now we're going to section from the bottom up. So let's take a look at how the product feels. You guys know I like to tell you the consistency of it. So right off the bat, when I opened it, it smells really good. And you can tell right away how thick it is. I mean, it's super, super thick. So let's wet the hair and start applying the product. Alright guys, so first impressions right now, it is gliding through my hair. Can you guys see that? It is literally just like, my hair was detangled, of course, as always, but it is just gliding right through. So let's keep applying. Take the brush and continue distributing the product. So far, I really like it. Can you guys see how like easy that was and how curly my hair is looking already? All right. Here's a side by side so you guys can take a look at what my hair looks like out of the shower and detangled and with product. In this case is deep conditioner. So let's go to the other side. You guys, my hair is loving this deep conditioner. or protein treatment, I should say. It is just soaking it right up, which is amazing. So, as always, let's do our little twist and continue on with the rest of the hair. So far, I'm very, very impressed. You guys, this is how I know if a deep conditioner is working right away, is if my hair curls up like this when I'm making my twist. So far, I am really liking this. When I get to the back of my hair here, I like to apply a little bit more to the roots because like I said before, my hair has like all kinds of different patterns. The front of my hair is a lot looser than the back, like the crown area. So I like that area to have a lot more moisture and a lot more product to really penetrate the hair. I love it. All right, you guys, so this is what my hair is looking like now that I finished applying the protein treatment to my hair. I will tell you that I have some frizz. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I'm having some frizz right at the roots of my hair on the top. It's so weird, but I thought I would point that out since I like to tell you guys how my hair is looking and how it's feeling. Overall though, I'm very happy. My hair feels and it looks shiny. So with protein treatments, I do like to follow the directions on the time that I should leave it in for. So with this one, it says 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll probably push it to that 15-minute mark. So I will let this sit for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I rinsed out that protein treatment and my curls are flourishing. I don't know if you guys can see how shiny and just how defined my hair looks with just that protein treatment. I mean, there's nothing else in my hair. I literally co-washed, like I told you guys before I applied the protein treatment, and I just rinsed it out, and this is the result. My hair feels really smooth and it just looks so defined. I am so shocked. I am very happy with the result of this protein treatment. I feel like my hair almost looks like I have applied product to it because of how defined it is, but I haven't. I literally just rinsed out the deep conditioner. I sat with it for about 20 minutes, which is longer than it says and longer than I usually like to. Rude. I am filming a video. Thank you so much. Man, honestly, Shea Moisture, you outdid yourself, because it looks like I have applied product to my hair because of how curly it looks, and I haven't. I literally just sat with this for 15 minutes and I rinsed it out, and this is what my hair looks like. So happy. My curls feel and look so nice and curly, which I love. All right, you guys, and this concludes another Moisture Mondays. I definitely recommend, and I'm so happy with this protein treatment, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Protein Treatment. It did wonders for my curls. So definitely check it out. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for the support. I'll see you guys soon.